Hi there, welcome to the new Qlik Sense tutorial video, and in this video we will going to look at the PMT function. So this function returns the payment for a loan based on periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate, and the output it gives is basically in the money format. So it has some parameters where rate indicates the interest rate per period, the N per is the total number of payment period, and then PV, the present value, the future value, and whether payment are due at the end of the period, then 0 and 1 if the payments are due at the beginning of the period. So what do I have is basically a small example. So what do I need to take is basically a text over here and paste this. So what we want is basically the monthly payment on a $20,000 loan at an annual rate of 10% that must be paid off in 8 months. So if I just increase it, so if this is what we need, we will going to use the PMT function. So what I'm dragging is basically the KPI to calculate this, and I will go in the expression editor and I will write the function PMT 10%, so 0.1 we need monthly, so divide by 12, comma 8 month is the time period, and $20,000 is basically the loan. All right, so output we get is 2594.66 is basically will going to be the monthly payment based on this configuration. Now this I have provided the hard-coded value, but you can provide based on the dimension or the column that you have in which you have the various loans or various percentages, months. Similarly, you can create your own what if application where you can change the values of these parameters using the variables and get the output based on your needs. So that's mainly I wanted to show you the PMT function about how to execute this, and I hope you will be able to use it in your financial analytics dashboards. So I'll meet you now in the new video, the new topic.